Welcome to Gogetyours Reviews, the channel where we test it so you don't regret it. Today we're diving into the world of dashcams with the 70mai X200 360 degrees Omni dashcam. It's a gadget that claims to see everything, literally. But let's see if this little lens lives up to its big promise. So in the box you get the camera itself. It is very sleek looking, nice and compact, and it's surprisingly quite weighted. Now it comes in this white and red colour tone, with nice feeling buttons, 5 megapixel lens to the front, and a screen to the rear. Now you can get this option or a stealthy black option. I do prefer the black option myself, just keeps it quite camouflaged. But what you get with this kit, in this accessory box to the right, we get quite a long Type-C to Type-A charge and power cable. We get a wiring crowbar, which will enable you to pull up your upholstery or carpet within your vehicle and allow you to conceal the wiring kit. Now what we also receive is a dual USB car charger, and underneath this accessory kit we've got a cute little envelope that conceals the user manual, which obviously you're going to have to read to find out how to install this kit. And in this envelope we also receive 2 electrostatic stickers for your car window and a spare adhesive sticker to fit onto the camera mount itself, which if you've already seen just here, we've already got one, so yeah, that's 2 in total. So here's what makes the X200 a serious contender. It has a 360 degrees panoramic lens that covers the front, back and sides and even the interior of your vehicle. That 5 megapixel sensor delivers crisp video that is quote worthy if needed. It has AI motion detection, which will pick up shady characters hanging around your car and differentiate them from normal people just going around their daily business. It will alert you of those people and start recording. So yeah, this handy little camera senses trouble.
Please connect your app to activate the dash cam.
When it comes to video pickup, you can record in top-notch quality, but my preferred quality is 1080p with 60 frames per second. Everything is picked up nice, crisp and clear, super bright, and not only that, it has infrared night vision too. Woo! So your camera doesn't fall asleep when the sun goes down. In that night vision, in the darkest of environments, the camera will confidently pick up number plates as well as those suspicious bumper stickers too. Now this camera, as well as having a funky little face and lifetime viewing with that screen to the rear, it also has a built-in voice assistant too that listens to commands like take photo or record video. And do you know what? That voice pickup is very good and quite swift. Not only that, when music is playing, this little cute camera will pick up your voice quite clearly, and while you're driving with that hardwired kit, because the camera does have built-in GPS, it will notify you when you're veering from one lane to another. Yeah, nice and handy. Not only that, it will detect if you're too close to the car in front, and it will detect if a person's walking in front of your car and alert you of it. That's pretty safe. Honestly, the clarity is very impressive. We have tested this over the past couple of weeks, and it's probably one of the best dashcam cameras that we've actually tested out since setting up this channel. I would say that this 70mai X200 camera is perfect when you're commuting with more than 1 people in your car. So if you're an Uber driver, this is perfect. You'll be able to keep an eye out on those rear passengers. The camera will automatically turn around, keep an eye on what's going on, not only in the car but all around the vehicle too. And if you park in public spots on the street, or if you've got pets, kids or sketchy friends within your vehicle or the vicinity of your vehicle, it will keep an eye out for the vehicle and notify you of any suspicious behaviour. But let's break it down, let's go to the pros and cons. So yes, we get a 360 degrees camera. This particular camera does it all. It has nice crisp clear video day and night, has fantastic voice commands that are smooth and responsive, pretty brilliant AI detection that works when it matters, and it is a great parking surveillance camera. Now the only thing I will note is you do have a hardwired kit that does come with this unit. Now we've received one. If you buy this kit you will have to get a professional to fit it. That is unless you're quite confident you're not going to mash anything up, and when you do you will gain access to all of the features. Now without that hardwire kit you do lose some of the features, and they don't actually advise you about this before buying the kit. That's the only downside. So no, we don't get no rear camera option, but again we do get that 360 degrees camera which picks up everything all around you anyway. Now to view the footage that's saved to the camera, you will have to download it on your mobile device, and it does take a very long time just for one single video. Yeah, it does. So it might be better off, just a quick tip from me, to go and buy an aftermarket Type C to Type A cable, plug it into the camera, then plug it directly into your PC or laptop. The reason why I'm mentioning this is the wire that comes in the kit doesn't actually transfer videos through that cable, but hey ho, a charge cable only costs £2 or £3 anyway. The only last thing I would say that this camera is slightly pricier than basic dash cams, but hey, once again, it is more capable. We think it's a cute dash cam, but one of the only last points I would like to mention again is the white and red colour tone. This is going to be so obvious in daytime and even at night time too. So if you're a drug dealer or you're a car thief getting close to your vehicle, if you spot that camera, you're simply going to dash the window in and take it. Doesn't really matter if you've got footage or not. With a ski mask on, you're hidden anyway. So you're better off getting a stealthier version, which is the matte black version, and that should be absolutely spot on. So I think that the 70mai X200 camera, it isn't just a dash cam, it's a smart silent co-pilot. So whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just paranoid, this thing's watching you all the time. It's actually not only beneficial for your safety, but it will keep your vehicle safe most of the time. So if you want top tier coverage with modern features, this is a no-brainer, and I think this is the one to watch. Now what do you guys think? Have you actually got this particular camera? Get commenting in the comment section down below of your experience using it. And if you've liked what you've seen within this video, well, why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. Subscribe just now, bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now speaking of videos, there's 2 shown on screen just now, but in the meantime I hope to see you all very soon. In a bit. Peace.